I mean, as far as quiet goes, it depends on if you're wanting a male or are you wanting like a breeder bird?
I'm wanting one quiet. I had one, and it was loud, and I grabbed it up out of his cage and threw it against the wall, and it killed it instantly. Yeah.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Could you hand me 2 beers? Good tidings we bring
to you and your birds.
Are your birds angry?
Now bring us some figgy pudding.
Now bring us some figgy pudding.
Bring us some figgy pudding.
Where you at?
And bring it right now.
This is Isaac.
We won't go until we get some.
We won't go until we get some.
Hello?
Y'all are crazy.
So, how about that bird?
I'll send it next week.
All right.
Are they angry?